tayo, tuck-in, para maganda. Tuck-in shirts. All players, please tuck-in your shirts.
May laro naman tayo bukas, di ba?
Ball game. First game. Open league category. First position of UAE. Kabus now. Nice pump, shot. Rebound again by Kabusi. Kabusi take. It's mechanic ball, mechanic squad ball. The assassin, Bartolome. Simbaco. Our scores here all, Manuel. Pass to Kabusi, back to Manuel, looking for Domingo. Domingo pay. Domingo, open jump. Oh! Bang, bang, bang! On Domingo! First basket on the point by Domingo.
Wala si Oh, hama! Yung 173, hindi nakalaro si...
They play with us, I will play with us. Just play, they play with us. Oh, they play. We cannot play with them.
No, this is
Basket count on Bartolome. 2-3.
But tell him how we play with other. He play with us first game. He play.
Problem violation, Domingo.
He play with us first game. This Santos. We make for him jersey. Yes? No?
No, other.
Not this one?
Not that one. It's other. The long time.
Yeah. He's not coming?
Santo Rosario.
He's not coming?
Yes, son. Now 5-3. 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Simbaco. To Domingo. Back to Domingo. Open jump, same spot, too strong. Simbaco, yes on Simbaco.
Backside tayo, backside!
5 ball. Flores. Last to Assassin, the Assassin. Yes! Bang, bang, bang! 9-8-5.
Eh, backside tayo!
Now 3-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Domingo. To Kabusi, Simbaco. Right, back to Kabusi. Take. Side step. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound by Manuel. Manuel. 40 to shoot that. Manuel. Manuel now. To Kaku. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound by Benos. Benos to... intercepted Kaku. Turnover. Same ball. Mechanic Squad. 6 minutes, 50 seconds. 8-5 our score, 8-5. The Assassin to Flores, make Flores, yes on Flores. Now 10-5, 5-point lead on. Steal by Flores. Flores, the Assassin. Back to Flores, Flores goes to goal, to no, rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi. Goes to stop, up, nice move by Kabusi, yes on Kabusi. Now 7 to 10. Shoot Reyes. Back to Venus. Big Venus, open jump, too strong. Rebound on the Assassin. 10-40 to shoot. Back to the Assassin. Rebound by Kaku. Kaku to Domingo. Domingo all the way. Pow! All on Venus, first team foul on Mechanic Squad.
I'll help you with the camera. I'll help with the camera. I'm not asking you.
Baba!
Rebound on Reyes. Reyes now. Back to Flores. Outside. Now, turnover on Mechanic squad.
Hoy, wag niyong tignan, lapitan niyo!
10 against 7. 3-point lead on Mechanic squad. Abusi. Reyes.
Okay, baba.
Reyes now. Guard by Kaku. To Flores. Nice play. Pass to the assassin. Assassin. Time to shoot. Reyes. Reyes. Nice pass. Flores. Blocked behind by Kabusi. Oh, intercepted by the assassin. Assassin now. Pump, jump, stop, roll. Nice pass. Turnover. 4 minutes 50 seconds. Our score 10-7.
Para.
Simbaco. 4 minutes 40 seconds. Kaibusi. Too strong. Rebound on Flores. Flores now. To the assassin. Short. Rebound by Kabusi. Foul. Time out. On Mechanic squad. Our score 10-7. 3-point lead on Mechanic squad.
Huwag nating mamadali yung office.
Dito sa taas, lapitan niyo na bagya. Kahit ganunan niyo lang ng kamay. Wala, kahit ganunan niyo lang ng kamay. Sakay niyo.
Basketball game. Scores 10-7, 3-point lead on Mechanic squad. 4 minutes 20 seconds. Our first quarter, Manuel. Kaku, take, Kaku, stop up. Back to Kabusi to Domingo. Same spot. Too strong. Rebound by Kaku. Nice move, Kaku.
Nice.
Foul. Foul on number 9 on Flores.
Ilan na foul ng Flores?
First on Flores. Second team foul, Mechanic squad.
Sure!
Foul by Benos. Benos to Reyes. Stop, up, nice pick, Reyes. Side step, too strong, Reyes again. Again, rebound on Flores. Flores to Kaku. Same ball, 40 to shoot. 10-7, our score still 10-7. 3-point lead of Mechanic squad. Inbounding Flores. Flores to the assassin. Pass. Nice pass outside. Oh, what a selfish pass coming from Mechanic squad. 12-7. What a play coming from Mechanic squad. Kaku. Stop up. Pull a jumper. Yes, on Kaku. 9-12, back to 3-point lead. Mechanic squad. The assassin now, guard by Domingo. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Assassin to Flores. 14 to shoot. Benos outside. Reyes 10 to shoot. Back to the assassin. Nice fake. Jumper short. Rebound on Manuel now. Guarded by Benos. Stepping on the line against UAE. Turnover against UAE. 2 minutes 30 seconds. 12-9. 3-point lead on Mechanic squad. Benos. Stop. Follow job. Too strong. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes timeout. On UAE. Our score 40-9. 5-point lead on Mechanic squad. Domingo to Nice stop. Ow! Kako! 11 to 14. Back to 3-point lead on Mechanics Squad.
Swing.
Reyes, the assassin. Back to Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Flores. Icy shot from Flores. Now 6-11. 5-point lead again back to Mechanics Squad. Yes! On Tabusi! Nice defense by... In and out, Tabusi.
Yes, yes. I will get it.
1 minute! Time to shoot.
Good.
58 seconds, 58 seconds. Clear score, 16-3, 13. 3-point lead on Mechanics Squad.
Malay. 3.
40 to shoot. Reyes. Shoot. Rebounded Flores again. Wow! Basket down and one against Flores. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. First on Simbaco, first team foul against UAE. 44 seconds. 18 to 13.
34 seconds ano foul tayo? Anis D.
Nice shot by Flores. 19 to 13.
Dandan.
35 seconds. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Uy, Rafael.
Ayaw ulit siya. May shoot tayo. 23 seconds. 23.
Bart, last shot tayo, last shot.
Triple na oh. Ay.
Last shot tayo. Ay, balik, pati ka.
Around. To Reyes. 15 to shoot. 15 seconds.
Point.
10 seconds. Foul. Foul on Domingo. First on Domingo. Second team foul against UAE. 7 seconds. 20 against 30 now. 7-point lead on Mechanics Squad. 21, 13, 7 seconds.
7 seconds pa yan. Good.
Wala pa rin foul.
And our first quarter score. 21 against 13. Favor of Mechanics Squad.
Dito tayo, dito.
Second quarter ready.
15 minutes of the game.
Kulang pa din naman kayo. May plus tayo. Pasok!
Hoy. Lima na kayo. Hoy.
This is the pause that's recorded. Pause.
Di ba kami ang may mimili? Basta kung chili papasok. Kami ang may mimili kung
Wala tayo.
Walang ganun.
Di ba ganun?
May plus kami.
Wala pa third.
Ayman. Wow! Bang! On Ayman!
Defense, Iman.
First shot coming from Ayman.
Defense, Iman.
Now 24-13. Tabusi. La Peguera in the game. La Peguera stop up. Looking for Ricanon. Outside. Intercepted by Ayman. Ayman to Grilla. Urbano. Yes, on Caniedo. 26 against 13. La Peguera. Air ball. First turnover of UAE. 9 minutes. Our next game will be Hassel against Delta. Reganon to Lapiguera, escape Lapiguera, 15-26. What a shot coming from Lapiguera. Out, rolling violation on the Tasmania Devil. And now ball game also the Tasmania Devil. 26-15, 11-point lead on Cal Squad, Lapiguera. The drive to Reganon, off the jump, in and out. Rebound on Ayman. Ayman now looking for Kubilia. Back to Ayman, nice pass. Oh, turnover by the Tasmania Devil. 8 minutes. Back-to-back turnover against Mechanic Squad. Kabusi. Strong move. Kabusi hook shot. Too strong. Rebound on Caniero. Caniero to Urbano. Foul. Foul on number 12, Reganon. First on Reganon. First team foul against Mechanic on UAE. Our next game will be Delta against Hassel. A shot. Finally, Urbano. Now 27-15. Kabusi. 40 to shoot. Nice defense on the Tasmania Devil. The playmaker now to Urbano. Third. Urbano left by foul. Basket shot on Urbano. Foul again on number 12, Reganon. Second personal foul on Reganon. Second team foul on UAE. 7 minutes. Shot again by Urbano. 30 against 15. 15-point lead na UAE. Lapiguera. Reganon to Cabana. First shot, first basket. Cabana! In and out rebound on Ayman. Same ball. Last touch on Ayman. 14 seconds shot clock, 14. Six minutes, 30 seconds, Kabusi. Looking for Reganon now. Reganon take. Reganon pass to Lapiguera. Lapiguera off the jump. Inanagan Lapiguera, Caniero.
Bigay, saan po yun? Bigay!
Oh, still! Caniero. Looking for Ayman. Ayman now to Urbano. Looking for the playmaker now. Mr. Playmaker, Ayman. Fake. Short out. Tasmania. Time to shoot. Urbano. Stop up. The playmaker. Stop up jump. In and out. Rebound on Simbaco to Lapiguera. Lapiguera now. Oh, escape. Lapiguera. Stop up to Reganon. Stepping on the line. Nice defense on Ayman. 5 minutes, 40 seconds, second quarter, 30-15. Tasmania. Looking for Mr. Playmaker. And move. Nice move. Playmaker now. Mr. Playmaker the side. Nice to Urbano to Ayman. Ayman! Yes, on Ayman. Now 32-15. 17-14 on UAE. Rebound again. Out. Tasmania Devil. To the Mr. Playmaker. Playmaker now. Looking for Urbano. Nice move. Nice pass. Bang on Urbano.
What was on the line?
Now 35-15. 15-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Abusi shot. Mechanic squad ball. Time out! On Mechanic squad. Our score 35-15. 20-point lead on Mechanic squad. Hustle against Delta. Kaku. Yeah, on Kaku.
Next one.
37-17, back to 20-point lead on Mechanic squad. Intercepted by Ahmad. Ahmad now to the Mr. Playmaker. Oh, nice shot. Too strong, Cabana. Cabana to Cabana. In and out. La Figuera. Stop, up. And to shoot. Ah, still by Mr. Playmaker. Foul. Foul on number 2, La Figuera. 13 foul on UAE. First on La Figuera. Now to first shot. Too strong. Rebound on Tagusi. Tap by Tagusi. Kaku. Ah, Mr. Playmaker now. Stop up. Right. Looking for Urbano. Bang on Urbano. Pass coming from the Playmaker Kudilia. Cabana. 40-17. Ganon. Safe spot. Too strong. Tap by Urbano. It's 1-2. Urbano sa step. Urbano! 42-17. Kabusi. Big. Kabusi. Nice move! Nice big! Oh! Yan ang tagay short. Kabusi! Ah! Basket counter. One on Kabusi. 19-42. What a shot by Kabusi. 2 minutes 52 seconds. Oh, Kabusi again. Early entry. Wow! Kanyeno to Mr. coming from Playmaker Kudilia. 42-19. Kabala. Pick. Nice move. Kaku. In and out. Out! This man devil now. Second rebound. Urbano. Stop up. Carpet ganon. To Kanyeno. Foul. Foul on Cabana. Warning for penalty on UAE. Time out! On
Referee mo ko pagka-Domingo. Ilak ko. Yung ganda ko palakto. Kitaon sa mga.
Saan yung pinaparking niya kahit sa
21
nice shot coming from Kanyero. La Figuera. Kabusi. Gusto. Rebound ng Kaku. Kaku to La Figuera. Fake. La Figuera drive. Stop up. La Figuera against short. Rebound ng Aimad. Aimad to Grilla. Mr. Bravo to Bravo again. Mr. Bravo, foul. Foul on number 2, La Figuera, penalty. Two quick shot coming from Bravo Cañero. 46-19. 1 minute 40 seconds. Kaku. Vila Figuera. Let's move. Again too strong. Rebound on Tasmania Devil to Mr. Playmaker. Urbano. Urbano. Back to Cudilla. Cudilla. To Tasmania Devil. Stop. And yeah, first basket again. Tasmania Devil. It's 0 out of 20. Kabuse! 46-21. Urbano. Yes, on the flying one, Urbano. 48-21. Wow! Basket cannon one on Kabuse. 23 out 48. Foul number 8. On Johnny Bravo Canelo.
Galing yung pito mo, boss! Nashot na pito. Malayo.
Cañero. Playmaker again. Cudilla. Guarded by Regueron. 30 seconds. 15 to 40 to shoot. Ayman. Airball. Ibanong Kaku. Kaku now. To La Figuera. La Figuera. Regueron. Cabana. Cabana. Stop. Cabana. To show. Foul. Foul against on the big man. Ayman.
70 seconds na lang yan.
First hit on in Canis squad. 17 seconds. First personal foul on Ayman. 17 seconds.
Dalawang na foul.
Second personal foul against Ayman. Second. Oh, Kaku! Wala mo by Kaku! 10 seconds! 3 seconds, 3.
3 seconds.
And our second quarter score. La Figuera. Stop up. Domingo now. The ball. Reyes. Reyes na point guard. Reyes. Pass to the assassin Bartolome. Dolores. Silve Cabana. Cabana. Stop up. Cabana. Pagbalak. Foul. Foul on Flores. First on Flores. First team foul. Mechanic squad. Second personal against Torres. First team foul on the squad. Now 27, 48.
Stop na.
Assassin to Flores. Flores foul.
Good.
Looking for Reyes. Reyes back to Assassin. Assassin! In and out. 8 minutes 40 seconds. 8 minutes 40 seconds. Mechanic squad against UAE, our Open League category. Domingo. Looking for Cabana. Cabana. Stop up short. Ito by La Figuera. La Figuera. So again, too strong. Di ba by Flores?
Play.
Domingo. Manuel. Our ball. Ibang La Figuera. La Figuera 14 to shoot. Stop pump. La Figuera. Yun ang yan. Ibang Karang. Karang. Karang to the assassin. Natulabe. 38. 27 to 50. 23 point lead on Mechanic Squad foul. Foul on the assassin, Bartolome. For second team foul on Mechanic Squad.
Mr. Take Out. Mr. Take Out.
In and out, Venus.
Pambok ko yun. Hindi ha? Hey! Kung kasi ako sa mukha.
Fast break kayo. Ano nangyari? Atansya ito.
Arat na siya ba? Pila sa ka-basis niya. Pila yan. Pagkatrabaho. Atong travel. Nag-aliyop gapon sa travel.
Again.
Wala eh! Makalinaw. Yakwangan pa. Jimmy, unong rami. Guys! Pero nabisod sila na mo biya.
6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Sila, complete ko sila. Alasay daga lapsis sa nakita. Sila makalinaw.
Juan, Liam?
Oh, Liam, sila. Hindi ka nakita sa kamera. Ha? Kuha man to.
Kabala.
1 minute ka pin.
To Sambako. Domingo. Pull-out jump. Elbow jump. In and out again. Karaang Leon.
Travel.
Karang to the assassin, Bartolome.
Normal lagi na physical. Pero kanang sawag ba?
Reyes to Bartolome. Bartolome.
Tuwa ba niya?
Looking for Karang. Karang. 14 to shoot.
Nagalusot ako. Dagay ko kinambrasan ko.
Flores. Short. Ipa Reyes. Reyes. Wow! Basket down again on one by Reyes.
Kailan mas sa kong brother.
First on Napalon Domingo.
Kita pa siya one time nga paglihap na ko. Giana ba wala sa kabantay. Ako siya dinang klaro na jud ito tibangan to.
6 minutes.
Ako siyang gihangyo ba taro wala tawag. Sayang.
Time out! On UAE.
Oh, katusap to. Oh, dito na. Ako, luwa ra mo. Sayang na ba kay hindi naman to na mo. Sila.
Our next game will be Delta against Hustle.
Ya, unom naman may sila 15. Ako puli-pulihan naman ko.
Takot Kabusi.
Lasat siguro.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Kabusi.
Depensa tayo, depensa!
52 to 30. Reyes to Venus. Venus. Attempt. Hesitate. Back to Reyes. Reyes. 14 to shoot. The assassin out. Big. Assassin run. Nice spot. 3-second violation ng Reyes.
Eh, depensa tayo!
La Figuera. To Kabusi. Fake. Nice move. Stop. Pump. Kabusi. Short. Ipon ba yung si Bako to Kaku. Kaku. Stop. Yes on Kaku.
Eh, wag pa ito kumpiyansa!
53 to 32. 21 point lead now on Mechanic Squad. 4 minutes. 40 seconds. Reyes. To Flores. Too strong. Rebound by UE. Foul. Foul on Karang. 13 foul on Mechanic Squad. First on number 30 on Karang.
Lamang sa atin.
4 minutes 20 seconds. Time out on Mechanic Squad.
Mao galing. Lubong-lubong gid ako. Score ba? Oo.
Discount dapat kaya pag mag-win ng tahay, pero kanto rin involved ba?
Oh, Flores. Wow, Flores. 55 to 33, 4 minutes, 22-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Bigay nun. Nice move by Lapiguera, Lapiguera. Fake stop, fake, nice pass. Yeah, intercepted by Benos to Karang. It's 3-1, Karang, pass the assassin! Bartolome. 57-33, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, our next game. Delta against Hustler. Again on. Still by Reyes. Reyes to Assassin. Foul. Foul on Reganon. Second team foul on UAE. Second team foul. Sub rep.
Rep.
Assassin. Pass to Flores. Block by Tabusi. Time to shoot. Reyes.
Pass, nice pass.
Nice pass. Flores. In out. Rebound on Tabusi. Foul. Foul on Venus. Warning for penalty. Mechanic squad. Warning for penalty. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Again short. Rebound on the Assassin. Assassin 1-1 Domingo. Assassin foul.
Bihang assassin eh. Di mapugnan, taas kigbuhok.
Foul on Domingo. 30 foul on UAE. Second personal foul against Domingo.
Wala na.
58 to 33.
The assassin, Boytik out.
59 to 33. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Squad against
Okay, lubat na.
UAE. Kabusi. Bigat ang Kabusi. 59 to 35. Reyes, carried by Domingo. Back to Karang, stop up. Carried it Sumbaco. Pass to Flores. Looking for the Assassin. Stop up. Assassin drives. I said back to Flores. Flores! Tira by Domingo. Domingo now. Looking for Kabusi. 1 minute 50 seconds. Foul. Foul on Reyes. Penalty. First on Reyes. 1 minute 53 seconds. Kabusi again. Same spot. Too strong. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes too strong. Turnover again by Mechanic Squad. 1 minute 40 seconds. La Figuera. Coast to coast. La Figuera. Stop up. La Figuera. Block by Karang. Yes on La Figuera. 59 to 37. Assassin. Nice move. Nice pass to Reyes. To throw Reyes again. Bang on Reyes. 61 to 37. Back to 24-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Kako pick. Kako to La Figuera. Escape. La Figuera. Nice move. La Figuera. Strong move. Yes on La Figuera. 39 to 61. On foul. Warning for penalty on UAE. 13 foul on Domingo.
Assassin!
Reyes to the Assassin. Assassin now. 10 for 3. Too slow. Rebound by Karang. Karang back to the Assassin. Assassin to Vienna. Stand to shoot. Fails. Top by Sumbaco. Kabusi to Domingo. Fake. Stop up. Assassin stop. I said Assassin foul. Basket down and one against Assassin. Foul on Kaku. Sumbaco. Now penalty. Both teams now on penalty. 19 seconds.
Bagong ano, side step. Parado yung pita.
Kabusi. 15. Now, Steven Flores. Flores, the range shot, Flores. 5 seconds. Wow! And the water. Warning for technical on coach.
Technical.
On Miguel squad. 2 free throw against
Nakita ko yan kanina, hindi ko na.
Kabusi. 1 free throw more. Time already. Third quarter.
I-warning po. Oh, nagpo-playing good. Nice.
And ang
Gilang.
Ayman. Black by Cabana. Kabusi. Yes! On Kabusi. Now, Mr. Playmaker. Urbano. Bang on Urbano. 66 to 42, 9 minutes 20 seconds. Simbaco to La Figuera. Back to Simbaco. Pass to Kabusi. Short. The playmaker to Urbano, soul train Urbano, the soul train Urbano, 68 to 42, 9 minutes. La Figuera, Cabana, short, rebound on Mr. Playmaker, Codilla. In and out. 8 minutes 40 seconds. 68 against 42. Steal. In and out.
Na sila po, pagreklamo ka para technical.
Urbano. Back to Urbano. Nice pass, Ayman. Block. 7 minutes 40 seconds. Cabana. Skate, drive, Cabana. In and out, rebound on Cañero. Cañero stop. Mr. Playmaker Codilla, too strong. Rebound again, the Playmaker Codilla. Stop up, second throw. Again, short. Rebound on Ayman. Simbaco, Ayman. Yes, on number timeout. On UAE, your score 70 to 42. Mechanic squad. 7 minutes, our score 70 to 42. Mechanic squad, Kaku. Too strong. Yes, on Urbano. Cabana to Domingo, La Figuera. Again, in and out, rebound on Ayman. Pass to Urbano. Urbano to Codilla. To Tasmania. In and out. Rebound Ayman. Ayman, back to space niya. First pass shot and short. Left-handed shot. Oh, kalatiba on Caniero. Caniero, first basket to Tyson! His first basket on the ball game of the year, Tasmania. Rebound and Tasmania again. One rebound, two shot on Tasmania. Stop, Capiguera. Now 5 minutes 40 seconds. Urbano. Yes, on Mr. Playmaker Gudilla, 76 against the 42. In and out, rebound the Capre. Urbano to steal. Now, an assist from pass to Urbano. Urbano! 78-42. What a play coming from Mechanic Squad. Foul. Foul on Mr. Playmaker Gudilla. First on Mr. Maker. First team foul, Mechanic Squad, 72-48. Kaku, air ball. Again, on 2-1, Gudilla, setting pass. Yes, shot, Gudilla. 80-42, 4 minutes, 44 seconds. Kaku. Drive, stop, Kaku move. Oh! Rebound on the Capre.
Coach, baba kang
4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Ayaw mo ba ni Coachin?
Tira na naman!
Bang! Good!
Favorite shot!
Tasmanian double!
Grabe yung kahit sa kahit ito.
Best player yan, si boss.
Foul.
Tayo, lamok.
Foul on Urbano. Second team foul on Mechanic Squad. First against Urbano.
Tira ko ya!
Manuel.
Nice assist.
Nice pass. Foul. To Cabana.
Labas.
Too strong. Yes, on Urbano. 84.
Bang!
Bang! On Ayman.
Backboy 3 points.
87-42, 3 minutes 20 seconds. In and out, Ivan again, the Capre, Ahmed. Gudilla. Whoa, what a move from Mr. Playmaker Gudilla. 89-42, 3 minutes. Domingo. Kaku. Rebound on Caniero.
3 points. Tara. Favorite shot, oh.
Bang on Mr. Playmaker Gudilla. 92-42. 50-point lead on Mechanic Squad.
Bang!
Too strong. Rebound on La Figuera. To Domingo.
Grabe.
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Coach, kaya mo na yan. For the record, 2 quarter tinapos mo.
Foul.
Tipoy talaga, tipoy.
Foul against on Ayman. 13 foul on Mechanic Squad. Third personal foul on Ayman.
Sa talap ko.
43-92. 2 minutes. Our next game, get ready. Hassel against Delta. The Young Guns Delta. Nice move, nice pass. To the Spania. Ayman. Pass to Gudilla. Another pass. In and out. Rebound on Domingo. Domingo to Cabana. Cabana, it's 2-1. Cabana. Steal by Urbano. Manuel in and out. Manuel again, fake. Manuel to Cabana. Cabana is up. Too strong. Ibanong Cordilla, 1 minute 30 seconds. Oh! Nice pass to the board. Nice pass. Short. Wow! Back-to-back turnover on Tasmania. Stop, out. Too strong. Yes, Don Domingo. 58 seconds. 50 seconds. Next game, get ready, get ready. Hey. 40 seconds.
Pang best player.
30 seconds.
Isa pa!
Again!